Good afternoon, everyone. Bill and Carrie here with KB Treks.
Hello.
Where are we, hon?
We are at the Magic Kingdom.
What was the giveaway? Oh. We just had ourselves a lovely morning here. Busy, we rope drop, and then we broke for lunch. So we're gonna pick that up where we left off here. For lunch, we went to Liberty Tree. You can catch it up in a separate video. But right now, where are we headed?
We are going to head toward Buzz Lightyear.
Buzz Lightyear? Tomorrowland. See what's over there. We haven't been in Tomorrowland yet today. This couple just got engaged. That's so nice. Head in Tomorrowland. These metallic rocks are fairly new, just a few years old. So kind of getting used to that aesthetic. On the other side of the bridge, behind that rock there, is one of the infamous Instagram walls. If you don't know where that is, there it is. A lot of people like to stop there and get their photo taken, post it up on Instagram. You can't really see it between the rocks. There we go, there's the Tomorrowland Instagram wall that I was just telling you about. Better view of it. We're just getting in line for Buzz Lightyear, which comes across over to the Monster Inc. left floor. Standby line says 20 minutes as we got in. Loading up. They're kind of separating groups by having at least one vehicle between groups. You ready to go down, honey? Oh, I'm totally gonna beat you.
You are.
You want to drive or you want me to drive?
You drive.
Ah, I drive all the time. Ah! Ah! Crazy Sunday driver. Carrie got 131,000. 579,000. Space Ace. There we are. I'm busy looking for a Mickey and Carrie's still trying to beat me. So when we got in line, it said, what, 20 minutes?
Yeah.
And it was 18, so pretty accurate for Buzz Lightyear. We decided just to step next door. We're gonna get on the Carousel of Progress. We're not often waiting to get on, and so I never noticed it before. They got this video playing of the Sherman Brothers singing Great Big Beautiful Tomorrow with Walt Disney. That's neat. They got every other row closed. They're separating us. Looks like we're gonna sit here.
Yeah.
Shining at the light of every day. It's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
And since then, the Carousel of Progress has had more performances than any other stage show in the history of American theater.
There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow, just a dream away.
Just got off Carousel of Progress, and there's Stitch on the stage here at Tomorrowland. Woohoo, Stitch! Heading into Space Mountain. Q says 20 minutes. We'll see about that. Yay! We actually really lucked out on the wait because it said 20 minutes, but it was pretty much walk on.
Yeah.
It kind of happened so fast we didn't even realize there was no wait.
It was about 10 minutes. I just looked.
Yeah, but that's pretty much what it is to take the walk.
Yeah.
From the front to from the back to the front, whatever. Anyway, what do you want to do now, huh?
I'm not sure.
Okay, well, I guess we'll check out the Disney app and see what wait times are at. We really haven't taken the time to look yet, but behind Space Mountain and the Speedway, you can see the construction coming along for the Tron Legacy Cycle. They got a big old crane doing a lot of work. It looks like a lot of the track seems to be complete, at least externally. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to see a different perspective of it. We're over at Pinocchio's house, right?
Yep.
And there's a rare appearance by Jiminy Cricket. He's dressed up for the holidays with his hat. That's awesome. You don't see him too often in the parks. We got in line for Vicky's Filler Magic, and cast member came out and said, we're going to have a little bit delay.
Having technical difficulties.
So we're going to mosey over to the Haunted Mansion and see if how long that's going to take.
Yeah.
Looks like a lot of the crowd have the same thought. Getting in line for the Haunted Mansion. The line kind of weaves around, but it's over by Memento Mori. Standby time says 20 minutes, which is not bad by Disney standards at all. So is this one of them scary rides or a fun ride?
Well, could be interpreted as either.
So is this one of those scary rides or fun rides?
It's gonna make you cry.
Is this one of those scary rides or fun rides?
Scary.
I don't like scary. Is it a fun ride?
Yes.
Okay. Is it a scary ride?
Yes. If you're two.
Which is it?
It's both.
This ride scared me when I was a kid. Put my head on my grandpa's shoulder. Like, he's like laughing at me. Thanks, Grandpa. Love you. As you leave the Haunted Mansion, Great Hidden Mickey's in the back of the pet cemetery. There's Mr. Toad, Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. Dedication to that ride no longer existing here at Disney World. Hello, my beloved. What do you think you want to do next?
Head toward Big Thunder.
We can head toward Big Thunder. That wasn't bad. It was a 15-minute wait, and it said 20.
Yep.
So it kept moving the entire time too.
Yeah.
Welcome to Bigger Thunder Mountain. Sounds like a cavalcade coming through. So we're going to come up here to the main parade route and check that out for a minute.
It's scrumptious. Merry Christmas, everybody! Peppermint wreaths, peppermint cakes, the words couldn't wait make it all.
It is really nice that they have those cavalcades on occasion. I know they can't do full-on parades, but it's still kind of nice to see it, and it's also nice that it's holiday themed.
Yep. Gets you into the spirit of Christmas.
Yeah. On our way to Big Thunder Mountain, it says 45. We still on?
Yep.
Okay, 45. Are you ready, honey, for the wildest ride in the wilderness?
Yes, I'm ready.
Love my stomach back there somewhere. We really lucked out with Big Thunder. Sign still says 45 minutes, but the wait was only
12.
12. You got in line for Splash Mountain. According to the app, it is a 50-minute wait.
We apologize for any inconvenience and we thank you for your patience and understanding.
We have not experienced this yet, but they made an announcement, and a cast member actually came by and talked to us and told us they're going to disinfect the ride. So every 2 hours, they will run all the ride vehicles through a cycle, and they will spray them with disinfectant. We're going to load into our boat, and they're putting 2 groups or families per vehicle now. Just a nice, relaxing boat ride through the country. Wait, what? My hand got wet. I'm melty. I'm melty.
Let me loose, Brother Fox! Let me go!
Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-doo. Nice ride again. Wait time was pretty good. It was posted at 45?
Yes.
And it only took us 25. But then what happened was they stopped it for just 5 minutes to clean the vehicles. Here's gonna get sanitizer. Good job, honey. So they stopped it for just 5 minutes to clean some vehicles. They didn't clean all the vehicles, they're staggering it, so they can keep the line quasi-moving. So it only took us 30 minutes to get through out of a 45-minute wait total, including that 5 minutes. Walking past Splash on the way out, and we just checked the time, kind of lucked out. It's 70 minutes now?
70 minutes.
Oh, so lucked out with that. Where are we headed, hon?
Well, let's try to feel our magic again.
Okay, so back to the other side of the park.
Yep.
A couple of the country bears are out again. All right, attempt number 2 for Mickey's PhilharMagic. Time to get serious. Something I'll do is I'll put my glasses on ahead of time, and then I'll breathe on them, get them all foggy. That way, they hopefully won't fog during the show.
Mine's still fog. Small price to pay.
Just let us into Mickey's PhilharMagic. Every other row is closed. And then they have certain seats that say, do not sit. So the theater's only what, third, fourth floor?
Probably, yeah, because every other row is blocked off and...
Then there's spacing.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Maybe I'm in the minority here, but I really like Mickey's PhilharMagic. I think it really gets into it. It's a fun little take on everything.
Yeah.
But I do have this weird thing when it comes to 3D glasses or whatever, where I can't really see things in 3 dimension when it comes to like flat objects or flatter objects. And so it takes me a second or two to get adjusted. But after that, I really enjoy the show. It's just one of those medical weird things. I don't even know what it's called. Anyway, we're going to head over to
Winnie the Pooh.
Winnie the Pooh. That's about a 15-minute wait. There we go. One family or group per vehicle. So we did ride Pooh.
Yes.
It was a 15-minute wait, I believe, and it only was about 10 or a little over 10.
Something like that.
Get through the line. And yep, quite a bit of time has passed because we actually stopped for dinner.
Yes.
At Cinderella's Royal Table. We'll actually have a separate video to give our insight on that. But we're trying to figure out what to do here. We only got about an hour left of park time. So...
I said that we do.
That we do. So we think we might head over to Buzz Lightyear for one more Space Ranger spin.
Because, you know, he just needs to make sure that I know that he will always beat me at that game. This is when I wish the People Mover were open. This is like my favorite time of day to ride the People Mover.
Yeah, unfortunately the People Mover's closed right now for a refurb. So sad.
Yeah. My favorite ride.
You just like because you get foot massages from me.
Well, I never asked for the foot massages. You just always grab my feet. I just like being able to like... Are
we complaining?
No.
So?
I'm just saying, I love just sitting and relaxing.
Okay. But I provide an extra level of enjoyment on the ride. Okay,
well let's go back to the hotel. You can give me a foot massage because my heel hurts right now anyway.
I'm busy. I'll be busy at that time.
Okay.
Coming at the Buzz, the line says 20, but the line is definitely a lot shorter than it was before. So I highly doubt it'll be that length.
Green Squadron will retrieve the power cells, while the rest of you concentrate on those robots. Rendezvous at Planet C.
Here we go again. I want a recount. I want a recount.
Well, who actually won?
Cheater.
And I'm a cosmic commando. That's even better than the last time with you, Space Ace. Look, guys, you're not going to want to ride this ride anymore now that I beat you.
We can ride it. We can ride it right now.
I said the photo, I'm shooting away, and you're trying so hard to look for a Mickey.
We're both cheated
Carrie cheated too.
How can you can't cheat. You just can't accept that I actually beat you.
Carrie cheated.
I did not cheat.
Once again, lucked out with the time. It said 20 minutes. It was maybe only 5, really.
Yeah, it was pretty much a walk-on.
Pretty much a walk-on. So, again, working well for the time. Only a handful have actually been close to the actual estimated time. We're gonna walk up to the central hub here and take a look at the castle. It's supposed to have some nighttime projections on it. We haven't had a chance to look at it because we left before sunset yesterday. And our first looks. Oh, that's pretty. Isn't that amazing? It's so beautiful.
It's not the icicle lights, but it's still gorgeous.
Yeah. We were just talking about how it's amazing Disney does Disney.
Yeah.
Like, this is something that you don't see or really experience many other places other than here and the magic that they do for the holidays. not just for the holidays, all year round.
Right.
So. And I know some people would say we're crazy traveling with all this going on, but it's still nice to try to have some sort of normalcy, get away from it, and try not to think about it for a week or so.
Yeah.
At least a few days. So.
Yeah.
The castle actually has several different looks that they rotate throughout the night. There's the third one we've seen, but only the second one I've really got a photo of. On our way out of Magic Kingdom, I thought I'd stop and look here. This is not Walt, but this is his brother Roy Disney, and he's with Minnie. This statue is normally over by where the Christmas tree is, but when the holidays come along, they move it over here in front of the City Hall. But Roy, after Walt passed, he wanted to rename Disney World into Walt Disney World, and it's about time that Roy gets some attention as well. Over by the tree, the flagpole over there, I forget exactly where, but that's where the Roy statue normally is with Minnie as a Greek dress. And of course, you know, the partner statue, which is in front of the castle, straight down Main Street that way. At the train station, you can see a lot of the characters are out in their holiday attire, waving to guests as they leave. Look who came out, honey.
They're all saying goodbye to us because it's the end of the night.
Yeah.
It's all the characters. That's so neat.
Yeah, so nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
At the end, there's Peter Pan and Wendy and Mary Poppins, Daisy and Donald Duck, Mickey and Minnie. Now at the end, there's Pluto, Pooh, Pinocchio and Geppetto behind the pillars over there, Alice and the Mad Hatter. So quite a few of them are out here. That's very nice to see them. Oh, they're going away. It's too bad. Just a fantastic day at Magic Kingdom, wasn't it?
Yep.
Oh, we got a lot done.
We did.
We did a lot.
Yep. We were here. We closed down the park. We got here at park open. It's now park closed. So full day, but wonderful day.
I'm so glad that we did stay here till sunset, because when the lights came on, everything was just even more magical.
Right.
And with the holidays and everything, and we haven't been here for the holidays for a couple years, right?
Right. It really is. I mean, this is probably my favorite time of year to come, is to see all the holiday stuff. It's magical. Even now, it's still magical.
Yeah, we're trying not to focus on what we're missing, but we are enjoying what we have.
Right.
And that's part of the holidays and part of what's going on in the world right now. Very fortunate to be here and just together. It's a wonderful time.
Yes.
We want to thank you for joining us in this video and all our videos. I'm Bill.
I'm Carrie.
You've been watching KB Tricks. Please do us a favor, like, share, subscribe, so that we know that you're out there. And until next time, good luck and have fun.
See ya.